Have you found yourself going back and forth based on feedback that you've gotten or conversations or arguments around or debates around should you use a cover letter or should you not? In this video, I will share my opinion on whether you should use a cover letter or not. It's going to be interesting. Let's get into it. All right, we're here. Let's talk about it. Cover letters. Should you use them or not? What is a cover letter? A cover letter is just a summary of the value that you can bring to the company, and you get specific and you tailor it to the opportunity. You are addressing it to a specific person, ideally. uh, Sometimes that's not always available because you don't know who's actually receiving the applications for the role, but high level, that's what a cover letter is. I can go and Google it, but y'all know what it is. Okay, my take on cover letters. Okay, so my thought is if you're looking to land a job, nothing is off the table. We're gonna do whatever it takes. So that's the mentality that when I'm talking with people that you have to have. No one has any time, especially if you don't have no job. You don't have time to be partaking in debates on whether you should do it or not and who's right, who's wrong. And not that you would be having that, but just getting caught up in experts going back and forth or career gurus, which I'm not a guru. I can just only tell you what has worked for me and what has worked for people that I help. And it's not perfect. So, and I am aware that there's other advice out there that you may get that can work. So, uh, just wanted to set the stage there. Now, should you use a cover letter? Why not? And I'm going to tell you why. We live in a world with Chat GPT, AI. So you got Chat GPT, you got Copilot now, and you got other things that you can leverage. You basically have an assistant, like, and you can probably do it with your, not even, you don't even have to be on a laptop. You can do it from your phone if if you are a little savvy. And you don't have to be, you don't even have to be that savvy, to be honest with you. And so, what would that look like if you say, you know what, Ken, you're right. I'm willing to do whatever it takes. I'm not telling you to do one or not. It doesn't really matter. But I'm just like, hey, why not do whatever it takes if that's going to give you an edge? Now I'm going to tell you how to do it. And it's not going to be necessarily perfect. I never claim to be perfect, but here's how you can get it done in less than 10 minutes. Take your resume. Step one, take your resume, take the job description, plug it into Chat GPT. Well, first say, hey, create a cover letter using my resume here. Put your resume in there, tailored to this job opportunity, and you plug that in. Hit enter. That's not even a perfect prompt. There's people out there that perfect that are master prompts. I'm not one of those. You don't have to be. Whatever it comes back, whatever Chat GPT or whichever resource you use, it's gonna give you something. Look at it. Yes, I like that. It's customized exactly how I want it. Or no, I actually want to do some tweaks to it. Well, give it that prompt on whatever the tweak you want it to do. Then it's going to give you something else, and you just keep on iterating until it gets you what you want, where you want to be. And then there you have it. You have a cover letter pretty quickly, less than 10 minutes, and you did it yourself. You didn't have to pay nobody, and there you go. And so in less than 10 minutes, if it could give you that edge on landing the role that you want and you can address it to a specific person, hey, why not? But the choice is yours. But I just wanted to weigh in on my comments on cover letters. Should you do it or should you not? And then the bonus in this video was I just showed you how you can do it yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next time, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.